Hi there, this is Megan Gorg, director with 31, and I'm bringing you the Get Creative Round Caddy, new this fall. Just came out in this fun print, which is called Sierra Stripe. So this guy's $35, which is a perfect qualifier, right, for our customer special. It can be personalized right here. It's got multiple, like that's a pretty big pocket. This one's a pretty big pocket, another big pocket, and then a bunch of little pockets for pens or needles or hooks or pencils, whatever else you might need. And then, so it stands tall for you and helps you organize. I've just got some plastic in here to hold it up. And then it's just empty on the inside. Can be filled with it, whatever craft supplies you might need. This also would make a great little bag for a little one. The handles are perfect. It's like a little picnic basket, handles, and perfect to organize toys or take it with them in the car, like a busy bag for a toddler or preschooler. So again, it's the Get Creative Round Caddy. Our Get Creative line just came back this fall. We're really excited about it. There's a few more items in that category, and this will match a ton of other products. In fact, it matches our Crush Berry Pebble, which we're really excited about too. So you can check it out at megangorg.com.